So before starting our blinker circuit, let us first understand some basic electronics that we are going to use in this project. First of all, you need to understand that what is capacitor. Many of you might know that what is a capacitor. In a simple language, we can say that it is an electronic component. It is an electronic component that stores charge, stores charge, and it discharges when needed. Fine. You might have seen capacitor in fan, okay, in some toy motor also. These are the place where you might have seen the capacitor. There are various type of capacitors available. If I name them, then they are ceramic capacitor, electrolytic capacitor, and film capacitor, and various others are there. But we are going to confine to this part only, electrolytic capacitor. How will electrolytic capacitor look in your project? It will look something like this. Something like this with two legs. There will be one shorter leg and one longer leg. Shorter leg will be negative terminal and longer leg will be positive terminal. Remember that in electrolytic capacitor it is polarized. What is meaning of polarized? Polarized means that it has a dedicated terminal of poles like positive negative we have in LED. Same way here in capacitor also, electrolytic. Also you need to understand one more thing, that this will be mainly used in DC circuits. Okay, like you have a 9-volt battery available. Okay, so this 9-volt battery is a DC source. A pencil battery like size double A or triple A, these are the DC sources. So here we will be using this electrolytic capacitor. Note that never ever connect electrolytic capacitor in reverse order. Means if this is your capacitor and this is positive and this is negative end, so never connect this to positive and this to negative. What might happen? Gas can form inside the capacitor, it can burst or explode, which can be very dangerous. So always connect in the polarity which is mentioned. Also on this type of electrolytic capacitor you will find that capacitance is written. Capacitance is written. So what is a capacitance? Capacitance is the value of charge it can store. So we, for this project we are going to use 1 microfarad capacitance, 10 microfarad capacitance, and 100 microfarad capacitance. Fine. On the capacitor you will also see that there is a rated voltage like 25 volt, 63 volt. What does it mean? It means that it is the maximum voltage to which these capacitor can be connected. If you look in your fan capacitor, you will also see that there also is a rated voltage like 440-volt AC. That capacitor is using AC current, but this capacitor will be using DC electronic circuits, and you will mainly find this type of capacitor in electronic circuit, like you open your mouse or some type of electronic component, you will see these type of capacitor. Okay, so these are the information for the. Now let us study about another electronic component, that is resistor. You might have seen a resistor. A resistor looks like this. Okay, this. It has a band of colors over it, and band of colors shows the value of this resistor known as resistance. Fine. So what does this resistor do? It limits the flow of current. Limits the flow of current. And how much current will be limited, means it will be put down, depends upon the value of the resistor, and that value is known as this resistance. It is written in ohm. It is written in ohm. OHM, ohm. Fine. You will find that the resistor value somehow written like this: 10 ohm, 100 ohm. Okay, 1 kilo ohm. What is 1 kilo ohm? 1 kilo ohm is 1000 ohm, or you can also write this way: ohm. Higher the value of resistor, means higher the value of resistance, lower the flow of current. जितना ज़्यादा रजिस्टर का वैल्यू हाई होगा उतना करंट कम फ्लो करेगा। मीन्स अगर आपको किसी सर्किट में करंट लिमिट कराना है तो रजिस्टर की वैल्यू को आपको बढ़ाना पड़ेगा। सो आपको कैपेसिटर एंड रजिस्टर ये दोनों यूज होने वाले हैं ब्लिंकर सर्किट में।